Oh, what is going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? What's going on, YouTube? Your girl is back with another Alopecia Solutions. Thank you for getting me to 2K. Every new subscriber is always much love. I don't care how small, how big. Thanks for dropping your comments. I appreciate it. So today we are going to be using my hairline snatch. We're going to be doing a frontal because her hairline and her crown is the most area of concern. And that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to go ahead and create a couple of layers. And we're not just going to use the foundation of the wig cap. Underneath, I like to have a little bit of netting so it can breathe because we are dealing with just skin. So to avoid any smells, hair is normally put there to help with skin to prevent odors. So make sure when you are creating your alopecia solutions that you are keeping in mind just because they have a hair loss situation does not give us the audacity to go ahead and be neglectful. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good tea. I'm creating my outline so I can know where I am going to be adding the additional netting so I can have something to stitch to. So that whole back portion where that stocking cap is at is going to be eliminated. Trust the process. And it's even. I'm not blocking out the spray. Like, I see that spray. I see everything she do. Hey, Shakana girl, that's what she did. Let me go ahead and steal a consultation real quick so I can find out the tea. But boo. Follow me on Posh Hair Design Salon Spa. You cannot take something that is a gift from your girl Taneasha Hines, okay? We are all creatives, and I'm pretty sure Shakana will go ahead and hook you up, okay? Do what you need to do. But when it rolls back, when you miss that step that's not on this video, you be like, girl, I did the exact thing that she did. I got the spray, I froze it and everything. And I even wrote down in my notes. Let me stop frying, y'all. Child, the Decepticons out here, like Trend Genius be saying, is real. Sad out here. You got to steal consultations. I said it. Don't come in my daggone personal space, y'all. And don't think you're not going to get on my voiceover. Okay, untruthful behinds. Let's go ahead and get into it. If you in between blessings, I'm just saying. There's a Dudley, a hair school around the corner for you. We finishing up these last couple of steps. Y'all know how to go ahead and do a frontal. Y'all know how to go ahead and lay the lace. But I just want to go ahead and show you sometimes your girl can do all type of installations, but we're not going to cover up your real baby hairs to put some fake baby hairs, okay? Why should I care when you don't care, okay? The only way I'm doing a frontal, the only way you get in the front of Posh Hair Designs, if that is your area of concern. They got 4x4 closures, 5x5 closures, 6x6 closures out here in these streets. And there's a solution there for you. And hair care is always number one up in here. Okay? Lies you tell. Just because you got alopecia does not mean we're going to go ahead and neglect the skin, the scalp, and the rest of the hair that we have. That's what separates the certified, people who went to school from the Decepticons out in here in these streets. Make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe. You know they're not delivering this out here on this YouTube University street, y'all. You know they not. We wetting it down with a little H2O. With a little H2O. Okay, Amazon jumping on my package, all this background noise. But anyway, we going ahead and emulsifying that water, so we not going to go ahead and put too much product on these beautiful curls. She is using my hairline snatched. She is using the nice deep wave. It's perfect for this season. Gave her something different. And as always, make sure you go on my website for your consultation and make sure you go ahead and save on the Uber Eats so you can go ahead and afford one. It ain't but $25, $50 depending on which one you're going to pick, and it goes toward your service. Anyway, let me go ahead and let you see the close-up. Oh, I was stepping on somebody's neck today. Close up. You better not come up my YouTube University with that foolishness. Giving you real scalp realness, okay? And she drives 2.5 hours away to see your girl. Thank you for watching. Her install last her. I'm going to go ahead and slay another day. Go on www.officialposhhair.com to book your appointment with your girl, Taneasha Hines. Get slayed by the Alopecia Slayer. Until next time, deuces. I see you next week. And always put yourself first. Ow.